Hi, welcome to today's tutorial on Lubella Lash. I'm Nicole Porter and I'm going to go through the benefits of using Lubella Lash, how to apply it, and what to expect. How long will it take for you to see results? So let's talk about the benefits of using Lubella Lash. Well, first of all, the reason that you use a lash enhancement serum is because you want longer, fuller, thicker eyelashes. And so many people today are actually going to a place that they have to go to and get fake extensions with their eyelashes, and it's very expensive to do. It also is high maintenance. You have to go in every 2-3 weeks to get filled with those eyelashes, and the problem is the fact that it can ruin your natural lashes. And so the benefit of using Lubella Lash is the fact that you're going to actually grow your natural lashes. What I love about Lubella Lash is it's vegan. It is paraben free. It has not been tested on animals. It's ophthalmologist tested and dermatologist tested. So how do you actually apply Lubella Lash? Well, you can see this is a beautiful bottle that it comes in, and it actually looks like an eyeliner application. You can see that thin point at the very tip. And the way that you apply it is just like how you would apply eyeliner. And so on your top lid, you're going to put a little thin strip right where you would put eyeliner. Now, you do not have to put it on your lower lashes because and here's how you want to apply it. You want to do it once every single night right before you go to bed. And you want to do it on a clean face. Make sure that you remove all of your eye makeup, your mascara, your eyeliner, pretty much all of your makeup, and put that eyeliner right as a thin strip, or put the serum just like an eyeliner on a thin strip right at the top of your lid. And then as you go to sleep and close your eyes, that serum's going to seep down into your lower lashes, and your lower lashes are going to grow as well. So, what to expect? How long, the big question is, how long will it take for these lashes to grow? Well, it takes a good 4 to 6 weeks for you to really see the results that you're looking for. So here is my recommendation. Use it every single night, at least for 4 to 6 weeks for you to see the result. Don't give up. Don't stop too soon. Don't get frustrated 1-2 weeks into it and say, oh, it's not growing. Trust me, it's going to take time to work. But as soon as you see a result, ladies, you are not going to want to stop. It is going to give you beautiful, long, fuller, thicker eyelashes. And so let me see if I can get close here and you can see my eyelashes. Every woman's dream is to have those beautiful lashes and that they're your own, right? And so the hero product in Lubella Lash is a hormone that actually promotes growth. So it's very safe to use. And again, it's going to allow you to grow your natural lashes. So I hope this tutorial helps, and I look forward to seeing all of your beautiful lashes.